Fit check.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Sunday night is day 2 in New Orleans, and I haven't really been filming. I've been trying to enjoy the moment and trying to enjoy time with my dad. So we are getting ready to go get some food. Oh, up a big ass shrimp.
Partridge in a pear tree. On the second day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 2 turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree. On the third day of Christmas, my true love gave to me.
That's why I haven't really been pressed to film. Like, I haven't really gone anywhere. We've just really been in the house. The weather has been kind of funky. Inside cuddle weather. Just know, if you ever come to New Orleans, you will never go hungry here because there's always food, people offering food. Ever since I've been here, people have just been trying to feed me. It's amazing. If you love food, this is the place to be. White.
Streetcars.
Here's some beignets right now.
Yes.
That's where we're at.
We're at Morning Call. They have good beignets and good coffee. Bomb.
That was a bomb. Whoa. Oh, I just bought these glacies. They were $10. Had a cop. Sorry. I just want to find one sweatshirt, like a big one that I can wear around the house, you know, something comfy cozy. Coming back to this little vendor because he had the best one. So yeah, that looked good. Got a lot of stuff here. It's like a one-stop shop. Oh wow. Beautiful. Where would I wear that to? We've been walking around a lot and I'm getting so hungry. Look at that watermelon. Yum. We gotta decide soon what we want to eat, and I'm thinking seafood again. I had seafood last night. I don't want anything else besides seafood while I'm here. We're at a restaurant called Neo's Creole Cafe. I'm about to get I'm getting the shrimp po' boy. That look good.
Some people squeeze their lemon on you.
Oh man. Oh, it is hot.
Dip your bread in. Dip your bread in there. Yeah, there you go. There you go. There you go. It's good, huh?
Oh my. So good. You're probably like, where are you at Loyola University? My cousin goes here and I'm waiting for her to get out of class so we can go to our other cousin, our cousin's basketball game. So Hi. I'm sorry I can't look, y'all. Like, we are in the middle of the hallway. I'm like literally in. Oh, I'm at Tulane. I'm not at Loyola. I'm at Tulane. Not me not knowing where I'm at. May the force be with you, my brother. I do not miss them days. So I'm gonna get coffee now, and then while I wait for my cousin, I'm really just gonna like go tour the campus. I'm gonna just try the vanilla latte regular. Do you have almond milk? Okay, yeah, I'll do that as well. What is this lip balm? This is so cute. She was like, I don't have any medium cups, so can I just put it in a large size? I was like, sure, girl, they're all the same size anyway. Let's try it. Okay, it's a little different. You know what? I'm tripping. I was tasting this thinking it was gonna taste like chai, but I got the vanilla latte. I didn't get the chai. It tastes delicious. Tastes good.
I'm not going to school for 5 years. No. Or going
Boy.
In 6. Or were you gonna be done in 3?
Yeah,
You're gonna be done in
I'm
3?
a junior right now, but it's only my 2nd year.
You see what time it goes
He was gonna say hi to my vlog.
up? In the
Girl, they
vlog?
can't see us.
We'll turn the light on.
We black. They can't see us in this.
Oh, you can't see.
Barely. I can't see myself. Am I that dark skinned?
No.
I'm finally gonna be accepted by the community.
Hey y'all, just went to my cousin's game. They got the dub. I didn't really want to record it because I didn't feel like y'all wanted to watch that. But yo, check out my cousin's ride though.
The big stash box.
Look at that big stepper. Yeah. At
you vlogging?
Austin's? Yeah, I'm vlogging. Want to say hi? Want to say hi?
No,
Why? Don't be rude.
I'm not being rude. Do what I do.
Oh, this place is nice. This is James.
We can do that.
It's fancy.
We can burn the tap.
Check the ambiance. Fire.
All right, thank you. Little dude, you know that stuff. Helps you. I mean, kind of take me out. But
Nice.